Now, my pin curls are not perfect. I'm sure your auntie or granny or whoever can do them better, but this is the way I do mine. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. Today I'm getting ready to go on a lunch date with my boyfriend because we fully vaccinated and we want to eat out. So I'm going to curl my bundles and I'm going to show you guys how I keep my bundles curly with just a little bit of work, and the curls will stay for like 2 to 3 days. I live in Texas and it is humid. And as soon as you walk outside, especially if you're natural, like your straightened hair is not going to stay straight. But I have a couple of products and a couple of tools that have really helped me. So when I want to have my hair curled, it actually stays curled. So let's get started. First things first, the tools that I use to help me curl my hair are a paddle brush and a comb. This brush is dirty. I don't want to be judged. I'm doing the best that I can. Also, to keep my hair in place when I'm curling it and when I do the little pin curls, I have just a bunch of little clippies. Some are long, some are short, but they come in handy so much. Now, the products, which is probably the most important part, are two things that I use in addition to my flat iron and my curling iron before I get ready to curl my bundles. Not really my leave out because I don't have very much leave out, and I relax my leave out so I don't need it as much. But this Thermal Heat Protector Gold Series from Pantene, when I take my hair out of this bun, I'll just spray this all over my hair, make sure all of my hair gets a little bit of this on it. So when I put that heat on it, it's not going to like fry the bundles. This is supposed to be virgin hair. I've had it in for like a month now, but it's really held up and this has helped, I think. They are Brazilian body wave bundles and I have 3. Initially, they were much longer, but I cut them. I'll show you that in a second. The second product that I use at the end after I curl my hair to get it to stay, but not be too crispy, is this Paul Mitchell Firm Style Stay Strong Fast Drying Spray. It's a finishing spray, and I actually got this at one of the little hair places in the mall. I don't put this on my real hair. I only put it on the bundles. Again, because I relax my edges, I don't really have that much of an issue keeping them straight. So now that you know what I've used, also I will link it in the description box below, but let's get started on my bundles. And then if you want to see the makeup look that you're going to see at the end of this video, I will make another video for that makeup look. So I worked out this morning and my hair was in a bun. As you can see, the ends of my hair are still pretty curly. I curled them about 3 days ago, but my hair has also been in a bun for 2 days. So you can see some curls, but I need to put more in. So what I'm gonna do is just take my edges and separate them from my bundles so I can curl my bundles. I'll just hit my edges with the flat iron a little bit later, but let's just do the bundles right now. My hair is a little bit dirty. I did wash it one time. I usually wash my hair when I have protective styles like every other week, but I have not done that. So my natural hair could use a good washing, but the bundles are still giving what they're supposed to give. I trimmed my bundles because I wanted it to be like right here. I'm digging the like soccer mom look. Boom. So now just time to brush out the hair. I can tell it definitely needs to be washed. So now I'm just going to take my Thermal Heat Protector spray and I'm going to just spray it on my hair. I'm going to lift up my hair and make sure I'm spraying in it all over. Not giving it too much. We don't want it to be wet, but it will be a little bit damp, and that's fine. I like to curl from top to bottom because that's my business. So I just take a small section from one side. The smaller the section, the better your curls will stay and the more defined your curls will be. I have a Conair curling iron. I got this from probably CVS. I've had it for a long time. I put it on number 25 out of 30. I don't put it all the way up, but I'm gonna take this and just curl this and hold it for a bit. And then I maybe hold it for about 8 to 10 seconds, nothing crazy, because I'm gonna pin it. I don't have to hold it forever. So I'm just going to slide it off the barrel. I use my nails so I don't actually burn my fingers. And then I grab a clip and I just pin it up. And that's one pin curl. So when I'm done, I usually have 14, maybe, not a whole lot. Sometimes I don't even go all the way down, but I'm at least going to do from here up. If you decide that you want to keep the length and you don't want it to be super tight curled, you can just curl it and just let the curls go. Leave this pin curled up until you're ready to take it all out, and then you'll have a little bit of a longer length. I have added most of the curls in the back and I've pin curled the front. I'm getting ready to curl my leave out and pin curl that as well. I'm gonna put a little bit of the heat protectant on my hand and just rub it through my hair. And then y'all, I've had this flat iron. It's time to get rid of this flat iron. It's time for it to go, but I'm not ready to let it go. I've had this flat iron since I was in college. I'm 36 years old now. So, I mean, it still gets hot, but like part of it's broken. It gets the job done. So I'm going to take small sections of my leave out and I'm just gonna bump them under and around. Boop. I was having a hard time getting my leave out to blend because it was natural. I relaxed it. I did what I had to do. Again, y'all not gonna judge me. So I'm just gonna take this, roll it around my finger, get it rolled up, turn it to the side. Take one of my short ones, pin her up right there. I love a good pin curl. I love a pin curl. Now my pin curls are not perfect. I'm sure your auntie or granny or whoever can do them better, but this is the way I do mine, okay? So now I have my hair curled. I got my pin curls on the top and just the regular long curls on the bottom. I am going to use my finishing spray now and a little bit later. So again, this is the Paul Mitchell Firm Style Stay Strong Spray. Basically, if you do like one layer, you'll get a pretty good hold. If you do another layer on top of that, after that one dries, you're gonna get a firm hold. So I'm just gonna do one layer right now, and then when I undo my hair later and I style it the way I want and I brush it out and I get my curls all uniform, I'll do one more layer. So I'm going to cover my face with a towel. You don't have to do this, but I've already done my moisturizer and primer for my makeup look, and I don't want to get this on my skin before I do my makeup because I'm not washing my face again. So I am going to take this off. A little shake. Just going to put it over my face. And it smells like the salon. Oh, I love a salon smell. Yeah. So later what I'm going to do is use this. I will lift up my hair a little and just kind of spray like that. I'll come back once I have my full face and I'll show you how. All right. I'm back. Time to take these pin curls down and fluff my hair and then do a final spray so y'all can see what my final look is going to be like. Again, if you're interested in this makeup, this whole little look, go over to my other video, my lunch date makeup video. It is featuring Merit Cosmetics. So go over there. Go see it. I'm going to put the link here too. Yes. So when I take my clippies out, I don't do anything fancy. I just unravel the curls like this and then separate them with my hands. Nothing too crazy to mess up the curls. I love this is my leave out. I'll fix that at the very end. I think unpinning pin curls is like one of my top 5 activities. And I am actually, because I want my curls to be uniform, I'm gonna get my paddle brush and brush through them, but taking them down slowly. Now you can flexi rod your curls too. I just don't have any flexi rods, so I just do the pin curl method. But flexi rods works just fine as well. Do my leave out here. She's giving. Leave out always goes here. There we go. Now with my paddle brush, I'm just gonna give it one little once over. We don't want to take all the curls out, but I want them to be more uniform. This She Is Balm collection, it's the wax stick. Like if my leave out won't settle down, I can just rub some of that on there. I have used this as well and I love it. Honey. Who said what? Who said what now? I'm excited to actually go outside and my hair stay curled. And then I think what I'm gonna do is pick up some flexi rods so I can keep these curls for the next few days. Now they will fall a little bit after about 2 days, but they're doing what they're supposed to do. I can kind of move my hair around a little bit and loosen them up. They look great. Let me know if you tried any of these products. How do you curl your bundles? Send me a message on Instagram if you want to chat. And until next time, y'all have a great day.